In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Trust Wallet to Koinly. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Wallets up top, and then from here, you want to click on Add Wallet/Exchange. In here, you first want to look for Trust Wallet, so just go ahead and click in here and type in Trust, and then you should be able to see Trust Wallet is the first option, so just click on it, and here it's going to basically give you two options, so you could set up Auto Sync or Import from File. So just go ahead and click on Set up Auto Sync, and for this, you'll basically have to paste in address to search. So for example, I'm just going to go and select the Ethereum address over here, and then you want to go and type in the public address or key of your wallet. So let me show you. I have Trust Wallet here on my computer. I'm going to click on it up top, and then from here you want to go to the search button up top right, and from here you want to select the same thing. So as you can see here, I've added the blockchain of Ethereum. I have to select Ethereum over here, so it's this one over here. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to need the receiving address. So if I click on the receive button, I will get this code, of course this address. I want to copy this, and then you want to paste this in here just like that, and it's going to start basically looking for it, and you want to click on the import button, and it's going to get imported, and it's going to say added Trust Wallet. And if you go under wallets, you'll now be able to see it's over here, and it says how many accounts you have and then your total value as well. So you can do this for any of these different blockchains just via the method I just showed you. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.